This is the sock matching game. For this activity, all you need are some different pairs of socks. To start with, we want socks that look very different, and we'll start with fewer pairs of socks. So first up here, I have two pairs of socks that look very different from one another. Excuse us, Bella. So to start with, we'll mix up our socks. Mix them up. And now we need to match them. So if you are like me, I noticed these ones don't have any dots and they are short socks. They're only as high as an ankle. Just like the socks I'm wearing, they only come up to your ankle. This pair actually looks the same. They match the pair that I'm wearing. So these two must go together. We're gonna put them together and set them aside. That leaves only this other pair with dots. So we'll match them up. And then I tucked them inside. To do that, you've got both pairs together. And then you put your fingers inside the same sock. And now push your fingers up. Push up. There we go. So I've matched this pair of socks and I've matched this pair of socks. As we get good at this, we're gonna add more pairs of socks. I'm gonna add this pair of socks. Right now it's folded. I'm gonna go ahead and unfold it by putting my fingers inside the circle part. We've got most of it that's all balled up, but at the top, there's a circle part where the rest of the sock is inside of. I'm gonna put my thumbs inside and start to push my fingers up in the middle. Push them up, push it up, push the socks out. Now I've got another pair to add to my matching game. We'll mix them all up. And then we need to match them. As we get good at that one, maybe we'd add another pair of socks. This pair has some pink like that other pair, this pair, they both have pink. And this one is also kind of like this sock because they're both short. Oh, we've got a lot of socks now, 4 pairs, each with 2 socks. We have 8 socks now that we need to sort. We would match the ones that look alike. Yep, these two are the same. And we would keep going until all of our socks are matched up, noticing the colors and the patterns, which ones look alike. I'm also orienting my socks so that the toe part is at the bottom and the straight part where your ankle goes in is at the top. Now that we've got those matched, I might add another pair of socks. And to make it even trickier, since I've got this pair that has blue and that pair that has blue, as I get really good, we can add even more socks, more blue ones. We've got multiple pairs that are long socks now. I'm gonna add another pair that has stripes. We can talk about the different components of our socks, how they look. If you get really good, you might be able to add some socks that are very similar. So I'm going to clear most of these out of here for the moment being. And take a look at these socks. If I mix them all up, can we notice which socks match each other? All 4 socks are white. Can you tell which ones match? Let's look at them more closely. This pair has some words on it, and it has some bumps at the top of the sock. This one is also white and ankle high, but it doesn't have the same bumps. It does not have any writing on the toes, but it does have a little black symbol up by the ankle. No, these two don't match. Let's look at another one of our socks. Oh, this one is another white one. It's ankle size. No ridges at the top like the first one, but it does have a little black symbol like that second sock we looked at. I wonder if it's the same symbol. Let's look. They are the same symbol. They match. They're both white. They're the same size. We'll put them together. I'm going to show you again how to fold. So side by side with the ankles matched up. Again, match them up side by side. Put your thumbs in the top, right where the opening is, with your fingers down here holding, and then you're gonna open wide and push fingers up inside. There, we matched and folded this pair of socks. These two must belong together too. We'll fold them. We did it. To finish up, we'll fold the rest of our matches. See if you can spot them with me as I find and match my socks. There we go. These two blue ones. We're looking for the match for this one. I see that it's pink. It has orange at the toes, orange at the heels, and a dark pink band at the top. It has little dots all over it. Do you see the match in this pile? Oh, I see some orange. I wonder if this is the sock right there. It is. We'll match them together. Fold. Let's look for another pair. Ooh, I notice, we'll take off the matching ones. I noticed that there are some stripes on this sock. So this one looks pretty unique to me. I'm going to look for the match for this sock. Can you help me find the sock that matches this one? Do you see it? I'm looking for the same colors and the stripes. Here it is. We'll fold them together. Next, I see a sock that has some pink flowers. I'm going to try to find the one that matches this. This one? No, that one's blue and it's striped. We're looking for one with pink flowers. I might need to unbury some socks, look through them. This one looks like it's a match. They both have the pink flowers. There are no other socks that have any pink, so I'm not going to check it against any of these other ones since I know that they don't match. I'm going to put them together, fingers and thumbs inside, push fingers up inside. We're down to our last three pairs. I see a black sock. I'm going to look for the match. There's the other black sock. I'll put them together, thumbs inside, fingers push up. Last two pairs. Oh, these ones are a little trickier. I noticed that both socks are tall. They have part that comes up your lower leg, and they're both blue. This one is also blue and it's tall, so it makes it kind of tricky, but they do not look the same. These two socks are different. Let's find the one that does match this one. Let's see, we have these two. Which of these two is it? Not that one. It's these two. They look the same. We'll match our socks. Put thumbs inside, roll up, push them in. And there we go. This is our last pair of socks. They match. I'm going to put them together, thumbs inside. There we go. Thanks for playing the sock matching game.